In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the exhaust sleeve clamp on this Audi A4. This vehicle has a 2.0 liter turbocharged engine. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this brace, take these bolts out. We're going to use an M10 Triple Square socket. Before you take the last one, just hold the brace. It slides right out. These bolts are pretty rusty in the nuts. I'm just going to use a wire brush, just clean up some of the rust. Going to add a little rust penetrant just to soak these down, just to help remove the nuts. Using a 17mm socket, take the nuts out. I'm just going to use a hammer and a punch just to loosen this up a little bit. Slide the clamp off. There we go. This one's pretty rusted, so it's just kind of peeling off. There you go. Those are off. Now we'll just clean this up. Just use the wire brush. Make Take the new sleeve, slide it over the back, we'll come forward. There's some little bumps here, that's as far as you want to go. We'll tighten this down. That's snug. Now we're going to torque these nuts to 17 foot-pounds. Just put this crossbar in. Get the bolt started. Yeah, we'll tighten those down. Make sure those are snug.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.